Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony from the Acoustic Letter here. Today we're going to look at a very special edition of the Music Villa HD28 made by the folks at Martin Guitar. I'm sure through our other videos you're probably familiar with our very own version, custom version of the HD28. We have the Music Villa HD28 done in a beautiful sunburst. Now this is a rarity for us. We don't actually have many sunburst Martin guitars. This guitar has all the same specs as the Music Villa HD28, except it looks pretty awesome because it has a sunburst. Let me run over those specs for you real quick. It has a Sitka spruce top. It has Indian rosewood back and sides in typical HD28 fashion. It has 5/16 scalloped X bracing done in the golden era fashion, which makes this guitar a complete monster. It has a top sanded slightly thinner to boost its responsiveness. It also has vintage open gear tuners. It also has a vintage style nut. And let me tell you, the neck profile on this puppy feels awesome. It's a modern neck profile with those little vintage features to make it that much more of a hot rod. This guitar is as much of a hot rod as our standard Music Villa HD28, but I mean it's got a sunburst. I mean who can deny the sunburst, really? So let's hear how this instrument sounds. Thanks for checking out the Music Villa HD28 with a sunburst top. Let's just put it this way. If I was in the market for a new guitar, this one would zoom to the top of my list. It is a complete monster, it's a complete cannon, and it looks oh so sweet. The sunburst brings out really nice silking in the top, and yeah, definitely on the top of my list. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.